Ever wanted a throw that not only keeps you cozy but also adds character to your living space? The DIY 100% cotton throw measures 50 by 60 inches and delivers just that, combining a rustic, vintage vibe with modern durability. Whether draped over your couch or folded on a chair, it instantly transforms any room with a splash of color and a touch of old-fashioned charm. What makes this throw stand out is its woven cotton texture. It's not your typical soft blanket. Instead, it offers a unique, tactile feel that complements rustic or distressed decor perfectly. After the first wash, the fabric softens up while maintaining its distinctive look. Plus, the decorative fringe adds a polished finish that won't unravel, even after repeated machine washes. It's designed to be practical without sacrificing style. I've personally found this throw ideal for more than just indoor use. Its loose weave means it's lightweight and breathable, making it perfect for outdoor activities like picnics or cool evenings on the patio. It's easy to care for. Just machine wash colors separately on a gentle cycle with cold water, tumble dry low, and if needed, a low iron will keep it looking fresh. The subtle, random colored threads woven into the fabric add a bit of personality without overwhelming the design. DIY is a trusted name in home goods, known for delivering quality products with thoughtful details. Their collections focus on fresh, trend-based designs that fit seamlessly into your lifestyle, season after season. This throw is no exception. It's a versatile piece that fits well with rustic, vintage, or distressed aesthetics while offering practical benefits you'll appreciate daily. If you're looking to add a timeless accent to your living space or want a reliable throw for both indoor and outdoor use, the DIY 100% cotton throw is worth a look. It brings together style, durability, and easy care in one package. Try it when you're ready to elevate your home's comfort and character.